as Donald Trump fights at the Supreme Court to stay on state presidential votes. A powerful faction in the conservative legal community has united behind him. Jonathan Mitchell, new lead attorney on case, said Roe v. Wade is a former Supreme Court clerk with ties to right-wing elites who designed 2021 Texas abortion ban that helped reverse landmark decision. The Texas law, which includes a crafty mechanism thwart judicial review, led liberal Justice Elena Kagan to disparagingly refer its planners as some geniuses, and established powers of Republican National Committee and Republican Party, which backed Trump with friend of court briefs, are represented by elite appellate lawyers who have similarly worked for justices and speak their language. They include former Trump Attorney General Noel, George W. Bush-era legal counsel John Yoo, and other former clerks to conservative justices Antonin, Scalia, and Clarence Thomas. The leading Republican presidential candidate appears to be drawing on ideological kinship and perhaps personal loyalty in the case, which originated in Colorado but will have nationwide implications for November's general election. Trump v. The new filings in the Anderson case also add to the tight world of Supreme Court litigation. From beginning, Colorado voters who tried to keep Trump off the ballot and won at state Supreme Court level were represented by former U.S. Supreme Court clerks who became leading advocates. Arguments based on the anti-rebellion guarantee in the Constitution are planned to be held on February 8, and it is inevitable that there will be a tough fight and high energy. Given dominance of GOP-appointed conservative bench, Trump's side may find more allies in back-and-forth bargain. In his summary, Mitchell cited Thomas, whose influence has increased in recent years with dition of more conservative colleagues. Mitchell highlighted what he insisted was a textually correct reading of the controversial constitutional provision. Lawyers for Republican National Committee similarly emphasized textual arguments and repeatedly cited the late Justice Scalia, a leading student of textual style of legal interpretation, on the bench opposite Mitchell, who clerked for Scalia 2 decades ago, will be Jason Murray, who was Justice Kagan's more recent law clerk. Murray's partners in the case, Olson and Sean Grimsley, who argued in Colorado lower courts, served as law clerks to the late Justices John Paul Stevens and Sandra Day O'Connor, respectively. They and their side's friend of the court briefs have until Jan. 31 to respond to Trump's allegations. Based on a preliminary submission by Colorado Challengers High Court, they will likely try turn justices' attention what happened on Jan. 6, 2021. When Trump legitimately tried overturn election results that gave Joe Biden White House. Citing findings of a Colorado trial judge, the lawyers wrote that Trump caused the riot on January 6, 2021, by deliberately